Feels like a dream which has come true, and I'm really happy and proud of myself to be here. We got the perfect winner. He has an amazing personality.
We are here with Big Boss 18 finalist Chum. Chum ending on the fifth position. How are you feeling about it?
Hello, Sana. Hi. Um, the feeling is amazing. It feels like a dream which has come true, and I'm really happy and proud of myself to be here, to be one amongst the top five.
Tell me, like 3 months back when you had entered the show, did you expect that you would reach this far given the kind of contestants that were there with you?
Honestly, I kept on telling my friends that I thought, and I told this to my friends also outside before entering, that I don't think I'll be able to survive because I don't talk much and I don't fight. I can't fight and all. So I told them maximum I think I'll survive for 3 weeks. Okay, I think it's on record also, but I am here, so that's why I just told you that it feels like a dream.
Absolutely.
Very happy.
Right. And Jum, tell me that right now there's this debate that's happening, that is Big Boss a show of personality or popularity? If you have to look back, tell me what do you have to say about it?
I think it's a mix of both, but mostly I think a personality, because that's what the show is all about. But I think popularity is also very important. But if your personality is good, you will be popular, right? And the winner is just like, we got the perfect winner. He has an amazing personality, so he won, and people loved him, so he won.
And tell me more about your friendship with him. We loved the Chumveer couple in the show. How did you guys have that bond? How did it develop? And tell me what's the future of Chumveer?
So how it started, I think, was when Shrutika mentioned something about her brother Aditya, and it's on my VT also. And then Karan accepted the next day that he was like, kind of jealous that that happened, and it started from there. And I think we're just friends for now, and I think it'll grow. And I see this friendship will last.
And Jum, I think a lot of fans were amazed with the kind of strength you showed when you fought xenophobic in the initial phase of the journey. Tell me about that. I mean, how did you face that situation? And also because you were on national TV.
Uh, uh, I didn't.
When Avinash had spoken about how ये आपके वहाँ का होता है, and you said that हम भी इंडिया के
Shehzada. Yeah, that was
शहजादा, right?
हाँ,
Yeah.
हाँ. So I was really taken aback because in life I have like experienced a lot of racist things
Yeah.
being an Indian.
Of course.
So that moment when he said आपके वहाँ पे बनता है, so, and the name was Chings. So it offended me in a way, but I should not have stretched the matter. It's my fault also. I could have just ignored, but I could not.
Yeah.
It was, it offended me in a way. So that happened, and but later we came to a conclusion that because we did not know whether he said it or whether he was wrong or whether I was wrong. So we kind of said sorry to each other. That happened, and yeah.
But do you think now, Chum, given that you were on Big Boss, there's a brighter future out there for you?
I'm sure. I think the visibility factor has gone high. I've done 2 movies, but people did not know me. But I'm sure now people will know about me. So I'm like really thankful and so grateful to Big Boss that it happened to me.
And a friend was sharing reels of Patalok and of course Gangubai. Your clip is there. So of course you've gone viral. But what are the kind of projects that you're looking forward now?
See, work is work. I just want to work. I don't care what comes. I just want everything, anything. I just want to work.
And Juma, I also wanted to talk to you when, of course, in the media round, somebody questioned about how you are with Karan and whether that's showing in the wrong light. Tell me, did you feel bad about it and how did you cope up with that?
Yeah, I was really worried. See, I always react to things immediately, okay? So even when Salman sir had mentioned about Chumveer, I was really disturbed. If you go back and check the video out, I was really disturbed. कि क्यों कर रहा है ऐसा? I have no feelings for this man. I don't even know him ऐसा वाला. Then I sat and Karan made me understand कि आराम से that happened. So I react immediately. So was in during the media round, somebody asked me this question, and I was really shocked. So my immediate reaction was like, but मैंने क्या किया? I didn't do any. Bathroom में क्या ही कर सकते हैं? I asked him, and Shrutika and I cleaned the bathroom
Right.
previous night. That was not shown on the show. But when Karan and I went inside the bathroom, that was reels cut gaya tha. So I was like, "Kyun?" So that it was nothing.
Yeah.
And the bite thing was also it was just for fun.
Absolutely.
That which I did with Shilpa ma'am, Shrutika, and Karan.
What are you taking back from Big Boss? What will you take back home?
I heard so many memories, but what I'm taking back is friends for life.
And who are these friends?
Top three: my Karan, my Shilpa ma'am, and my Shrutika.
Amazing. Thank you so much, Om. Thank you. With camera person Sahil Sana from